Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since you've seen me, but I'm here and it's just been a crazy few months and I wasn't able to get into some filming, but I found a few minutes to sneak in some. For today's video, I have a little bit of a dilemma. I'm sure many of you have that, but I don't have any cute pajamas or cute nightgowns or anything like that. I tend to just get my husband's old t-shirts that don't fit him anymore and I just go, that looks comfy, I'll wear that. And then his old sweatpants that I just take them from his drawer and put them in mine, and no one seems to miss them very much. Okay, he misses them and he notices, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm here to solve that problem by making myself a really light nightgown for summer because it's been way too hot to wear sweatpants and things, but I still like to be dressed because you never know when there's going to be a fire at night or an emergency at night, and you don't want to be rushing out in your skivvies. I mean, no one wants to see that. This just took a turn. All right. See if I fit into the frame. My hair is getting cut off, but it's fine. First thing I'm gonna do is just measure how long I want said nightgown to be. Normally, maybe I could do this. Measure from the back of the neck down to where I want it, but this is kind of awkward, so I'm just gonna go this way. And I want it to cover my knees, and that's about, hold on. I'm going to go to about 40 inches. And then I might make it like an empire waist just because that seems to be like a jammy thing to do. I don't know. I haven't looked at many nightgowns in my life. So I want to say as empire, 9 inches from my neckline. I'll probably use a shirt like this that has about the same neckline. Or waistline is 11 inches. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see how much material I have. And then, let's see, I'm going to do my waist measurements just to get a basic measurement of how I want everything to fit. I think I can remember all of those. I should be writing these things down, but today is about not being complicated. Today is just getting myself some cute jammies. So let's do that. Hi, I just thought I'd pop in and talk to you guys for a second while I'm pattern drafting. If you're confused by all the marks, just know this is trial and error. I just wanted to get a general idea of what I wanted, and so I was redrawing and everything. And this is also, fun fact, the first time I ever used a French ruler. It's that curved ruler that you're seeing right there to help me with the armholes and stuff. And I actually really enjoyed it. So I highly recommend, if you don't have one, to get one. They're pretty easy to use and stuff. It just took me a second to figure out where my markings and everything were on it. Also, if you see that I made a line on the back part, so right now you're seeing the back. If you see me making a line for the waist, just know that I didn't actually cut that. That's a whole single piece. I just wanted to make sure everything was lining up the right way, so I did mark it. And you can see me redrawing the armhole again. Me here. I think I have the idea of what I want to do. So what I'm going to do is an empire waist, and it's going to be gathered on the shoulders and the waist, and then the skirt's kind of going to go out a little bit. The back is going to be a solid piece, and then I'm going to make some loose quarter sleeves with maybe a ruffle depending on what I want to do. Maybe some lace. I do have tons and tons of lace. I was gifted a whole bin of lace, and I'm so excited to use it. So I might throw some of that on if I'm thinking about it. And then I might add some lace or a ruffle to the bottom because I want this girly. Like, I want no more husband t-shirts. I'm done with them. I'm done with holes. I'm done with the oversized baggy look, even though they're so comfortable. I'll probably take this all back. But I want to look feminine. So that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, back to whatever we're doing. I think we're cutting out the sleeves next, so back to that. I have my back full panel cut out. I have my front top, my front bottom. I have sleeves, the ruffles for the sleeves all cut out. So all I have to do is assemble. And then I went through my stash and found this really pretty lace. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. So I found this really pretty lace. I'm going to attach this to the bottom. I don't have enough of it to do the ruffles around the sleeves, so I'm going to use a different lace. Ooh! Okay, there I am. Okay, so I have lace for the bottom and lace for the sleeves. They're mismatched, but I don't mind mixing lace. Let's see if I can find the other one. I think it's kind of cute. Where'd it go? Here it is. Let's see if I can get this off. Oh, whoever did this stapled this poor lace. How tragic. So this is all free, and I haven't gone through it piece by piece yet. I just pulled these out because they look like decent sized bunches that could go on my ruffles. But they apparently stapled their price tag of $1 for 4.5 yards onto this. I like this lace personally a little bit more. Let's see. There we go. I think it's really pretty. I love the little flowers and the scalloped edge. And I like that it's off-white. The first lace with the swirly dupe is gonna go on sleeves, and then the flowered one's gonna go on the bottom. And anyway, let's get sewing. Hi, me again. Also, that artwork's from my son, and I love it. I'm going to do the ruffles first. I'm going to sew the lace onto the ruffle before I even assemble any part of the bodice or anything like that, just because putting lace on an already sewn ruffle is going to be way harder than just sewing it to the ruffle first and then doing the whole gathering thing. So, little side note. The next part I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the front bodice to the bottom part, and then I will attach that to the shoulder seams, and then I'm going to do a different way of adding in sleeves. You'll just have to watch it. So I'll film that part so you can see what we're doing, but the next part's just going to be assembling everything, and hopefully I can sleep in this tonight, and I will let you know if I like it. Alright, so I just wanted to show you how I put the sleeves in this time. It's a little different technique than what you normally see, but I have seen people do this, where you keep the sleeve open, you don't sew it up yet, and you just pin right sides together. And then we're going to sew this on both sides. Then we'll pin these sides together with sleeves, sew them together, and then pin the sides of the dress together, and sew all that together. And we'll do that all in one shot. So, my kids are now in bed. It's flown way past nap time. I went out to eat with some friends. I've come back. I was still working on this. But have you ever thought, I'm just going to quickly add gathers to this. I'm going to quickly add some ruffles or, add some gathers to the bottom. But it shouldn't take me that long, maybe an hour max. Lies. Every single time. I think to myself, I'm going to do it fast this time. Not today, my friends. Not today. I've been going on this for, I think I just hit my hour-and-a-half deadline. I'm still pinning in gathers. And then I still have to hem the neckline. But then I'll be done. So, I'm getting there. It's getting close. But I thought I'd just share that with you. Here's my finished product. The neckline could use a little bit of help. I did it pretty quickly. It's late. I'm tired. I just want to get to bed. But I do love the sleeves. Look how pretty those turned out. And then all the gathers in the front. I really like that. I really like all these gathers. And then here's the bottom. That's my air conditioning back there. Just ignore that. Here's the bottom. Looks like, See that? Looks like I snagged some stuff right there. So I'll have to unpick that. But will I? No, this is for sleeping. But anyway, ignore that. And here's the gathers at the bottom with the lace. I'm gonna wear it, see if I enjoy this whole nightgown thing. So anyway, signing off. Hey, it's me from the next day. I got to wear my nightgown last night and it was the perfect night for it because it was so hot. Our AC wasn't hooked up right, so it got really warm in our room last night, so I was really grateful for light layers. I really liked it. I'm planning on making more of them because I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the style. It was really, really pretty. It fit really, really great for just being a simple, just take a few measurements and whip it out and hope for the best kind of a project. And it was great. So I'm really excited about it. I'm really happy about it. Thanks for watching and spending some time with me today. I'm so happy you were here, and please subscribe if you'd like to, like the video, say hi in any projects you're working on. That would be so awesome to hear from you guys. So anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Still laughing from my last take. Okay, hi guys. All right, I got this.